Hey guys, my phone is cracked to high hell again, so I don't know if there's this white misty thing going on, but yeah, I just want to show you real quick and talk about the products that I used. It's been a while since I did my nails. I do want to do a tutorial on them, but it's like I said, it's been a while since I've done my nails and I wanted to practice again before I do a tutorial. So the next time I go to do my nails, which will be soon, I promise I'll have a tutorial. Maybe I shouldn't say promise, but I will have a tutorial for you. Because I know people like to see that stuff, but yeah, I used overlapping tips, so they were the long talon-like ones, the French overlay. I think they're called the French overlay, but I always use Kiss brand. And then I cut them, of course. Sorry if you see any nail polish. I need to go around and clean them up. I do like how they turned out. I'm self-taught. Yeah, I cut my cuticle too low there, that blood you see. But I am self-taught. I do know how to do acrylic and the dip powder, which you would probably want to see this, huh? Just the nails and glue and the polish. And then I can do another video after that or something with a dip powder, and then the acrylic, just a straight acrylic to brush on, where you brush the powder stuff on. But how I get it to bond to my nail where it looks completely smooth like that, this isn't my complete steps of how I do it. I'm just telling you a little bit. But so after I've prepared my nails and everything, cut the cuticle, blah, 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 this and that, I put glue down, and then I put the tip down, and then I file to bond the fake nail and to my real nail, like this one. You can see a little, but it is filed down completely. I just didn't do too good of a job, but not bad. But the polishes that I used, I don't know if it's from the different weather change or what, but this, I used this, which is Starfish, Sinful Colours. It's usually my favorite nail polish, one of my favorite brands, but this one just seemed really runny this time. There's a couple times where we've had here what's called a brownout, I guess. So that means the electric went out and the air conditioning went out. And so the different temperature change, if it's hot and humid in this room and then it gets cold in here like Antarctica, I think it could have an effect on my nail polishes amongst other makeup. You know what I mean? But I just don't remember it being so runny. But yeah, so this is what I used for the bottom coat. The top, this was my first time using this. This is Essence Beauty Shine Last and Go Gel Nail Polish. And the color is my Sparkling Darling. This is a nice thicker polish. But yeah, gotta be careful not to gob this on too much. I mean, this one was super runny, and then this one was thick. And then I was super impressed because, I mean, I'm worried that I'm being careful with my nails still, but this Julep Freedom Polymer Top Coat, this has helped to like cut the drying time down. And then I've been going and sitting in front of my little fan that's on the floor over there. That's probably the noise you hear, the wind tunnel. But yeah, it's helped to dry it down. And then tomorrow I'm going to go clean up the edges with a Q-tip and some nail polish remover. But I think these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Now, before I had this, when I use this, I like to use this in conjunction with it. Or this is just really pretty on its own too. It was, at least. I don't know. You would have to do a lot of thin layers, I guess. I don't know. I didn't before. But, so that's what it looks like. And then I'm just looking over something I purchased earlier. I don't know why this picture isn't coming up, but I was able to choose 2 free samples. I chose this foundation, Natural Radiant Longwear, and then this Power Matte Lip Pigment Packet, and then this and this were free. There's a thing if you spent $50, you would be able to get a free gift, and I'm getting 2 free gifts. So, and I'm excited because my big package. I'll be right back. It's so heavy. Yay! But I'm so excited. My other bag of clothing came in. Whoop, whoop, whoop. But so now I have to go up to Target or Meijer, get a clothing rack tomorrow. I was going to go today, but it's so hot. I was going to start taping it too, but I was waiting for my video to upload. The one I just let go private. So that means this video is going to be next. Okay, guys. I'm going to go. Have a beautiful night, and thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next video.